Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Fire Trader from firetrading.org. I just wanted to go over our morning notes with you guys, some of the trades that we took, and today was a phenomenal day. It was freaking awesome. There's so many stocks moving, so many plays, so much potential out there. It was just awesome. So the first one I wanted to go over with you guys was SNOA. Every day we've got a couple of these small cap stocks that are gapping up. Sometimes they're on BS News, sometimes they're legit. This one in particular is I didn't feel the news was going to hold this stock up today. And I'll kind of explain why. So if you guys read the press release this morning, they said that they got approved for COVID-19 prevention. If you read a little deeper, that prevention is disinfectants, hand sanitizer, so on. Now, if you read a little bit deeper, they got approved for Australia. Australia, not the US, Australia. And if you look up the stats and the difference between Australia cases and the US cases, Australia cases from the COVID-19 are among the lowest out of all of them, right? So, I said right here, this should be an all-day fade today. But it is holding up here pre-market. It's holding up strong pre-market. So we've got to wait for it to set up. Don't go bailing into it short pre-market. Don't get ahead of yourself. Wait for this to set up because people are obviously buying it, right? So I wanted to pop out of the open to 750. Watch your topping. Short it back down to 10 and under. If this starts to pull out of the open, short it and bring it down. Okay. So we'll check it out. SNOA. So we did get a little bit more than what I wanted, right? I wanted 1750. That was right here. Right here. So we got that initial pop and then we started to get that drop. But I told everybody it's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. Don't mess with it. Eventually we did get this other little pop, and if you guys look right here, there's a beautiful little double top right there at 1960. We didn't take it here. No, it was once this pull was too fast, it got halted. So we just let it go. We let it do its thing until it put this little flag in right here. Once it started breaking this little flag to the downside, this is where we nailed it. I personally didn't trade this one. A lot of traders did, and they absolutely nailed it. And look where we are now. We hit 1001. So we hit our 1750 target and faded it all the way back down to $10. Beautiful trade. This one was beautiful. ZS. This one was fun. So I told everybody, I read the numbers, read the earnings, and I told everyone this is going to get bought up. They had strong earnings. I like it. Okay. So I said, this should have an nice all-day grind to the upside, but we need a bit of a pull first. Watch for pull out of the open down to 85 and under. Watch for bottoming and take it long for a nice all-day grind higher today. Okay. Also, we just hit, we officially hit 10 and under on our SNOA. ZS. So I wanted that pull out of the open. Right down to 85. Would we hit? 85.55. Got the pull down to 85.55. Grabbed it long. I actually didn't grab this one long because I was watching something else this morning. I actually grabbed it. Whoops. I grabbed it right here. I grabbed it long right here off this little flag break right here, this little downtrend. So I missed this whole move basically from 85.50 all the way up to 83, almost 8 points. I missed that. A lot of traders nailed it in chat, and I took it up, just riding it up, taking off pieces. I usually take them off. This one had a lot of room. It actually had room all the way up to 100, and then after that had room to 125. So this one had a lot. It didn't have a lot of overhead resistance, so I was just taking off pieces at each whole dollar. I took some off here at 94, took some more off at 95, 96. Once we started stalling out here, I just took it off. I was done with it. I don't like holding it. I don't like holding a stock through chop. If it's trending in my favor, great. I'll hold it as long as it's trending. But if it's if it starts just chopping around, I get out. So took this one up from 93 down here, this downtrend. I'm sorry, 92 down here up this downtrend break, and took it on up. It was a beautiful 4 or 5 point trade. Oops. VMW. This one, it wasn't very good. Basically, with this one, it was the way I saw it this morning. It could have gone either way. Right where it was at with the numbers that they provided. If it popped, it was going to be a nice short. If it dropped, it was going to be a nice long. So I told everyone, right here, if it pops, it'll be a good short. If it pulls, it'll be a nice long. But unfortunately, VMW, we didn't get any of it. I wanted to pull out of the open either down to 148 down here or a pop out of the open 162. But, we didn't get any of it. It basically just grinded out all day long. I never touched this one today, just for that fact. But, yeah, that one didn't work out. But it's okay. Big was beautiful. Beautiful trade. Okay, earnings beat, upside guidance. That's good, right? I saw something, though. I don't think a lot of people saw it, but I saw something here. I said decent numbers, but I like this short. Right here, short. If we pop out of the open to 44, watch for topping and short it for nice and easy fade all the way back down to 40 and under. If this does start to pull out the open, grab it short and slam it down to 38 and under. Then we can start watching for the bottoming and nibble it long. Let's check it out. Look at that. Look at that. Started to pull out of the open. I grabbed it right, where was it? It was right here off this little downtrend break right here. I didn't grab it this time. I actually saw it yank, and I thought I missed it. So I stopped paying attention to it, and I saw it pop back up. Once we saw it break this time, and it kind of popped back up, tested it again, this is where I grabbed it right here. Grabbed it, took it down. I took it down, taking off pieces along the way. Took off a piece right here at 38. Actually, I took about 3/4 of my position off because there's a pretty strong resistance here. After that, I usually let just a piece ride just to see if I can see what I can get out of it. And I ended up getting 37. It just wiped it off right here. But we took it down right here from 40 bucks. Taking it off right here at 38, then 37. Then I didn't catch the long. Quite a few traders did. Sorry about that. Quite a few traders did right here. I saw it breaking this little downtrend right here. It's pretty much a parabolic downtrend at this point coming down here. So once we started breaking that, then we made a higher low right here. Once we made this little higher high right here, told traders you're good. You can grab it long, take it back up to 38, which we did right here. And then we were shooting for the 40 target next. And then I don't know if they're still holding or not, but it just eventually just kind of grinded out. But it was a nice short and a nice long. CRM, that one was kind of like, it was sort of like VMW. I was expecting a lot more out of it, but we kind of didn't get it. ARVN, this one was a nice short. Basically, they came out with this data that said, they gave an update on the data, and the way that I read it was there was only a small percentage of patients that actually had some type of benefit from it. And it was a small percentage. So it was a short. Watch for pop out of the open to 40, top it off and short it for an all day fade back down. If this starts to show weakness at open, grab a short, slam it down 28 and under, and be done with it. Let's check it out. ARVN. It hit 40 pre-market. I know one trader in particular grabbed it right here. Grabbed it short right here. Because I posted my morning notes when it was right here. It popped up to this 40. They grabbed it short right here and brought it down all day long. This was a fun one. I didn't trade this one personally, but beautiful trade. Nice and easy all day fade. And you guys ready? Another offering. Yep. If you guys didn't watch the video from yesterday, I'll post it down below. But we love trading offerings. We traded REGN the day before yesterday. We traded. I don't even remember what we traded yesterday. What was it? ARGX. And then today, Fiverr. 2 million at 60. I said I love this offering. Anything under 61 is nothing but a buying opportunity. If this starts to get bought up, grab it long and add on dips. If this does pull at the open, grab it long, give it room to add to 58 and under. This should be this should make a nice run today. Fiverr. Look at that. This is beautiful. We got a quick pull right down here, 60.50. I didn't grab it right here. I grabbed it right. Oops, sorry about that. I grabbed it right here off this little range break right here from the previous high right here at 61. I don't know my exact. Actually, I can look at it right here. 61.38 right here. Grabbed it long, took it on up, all the way up, taking off pieces along the way. We absolutely nailed this one. Then it pulled back down. I got another average right down here at 64. I added in again right here. And then it popped back up. I took off another little piece here. And then I held half of it. And unfortunately, the rest of the day, it just kind of went sour. I actually added one more time right down here at 62 and built up a 63.50 average. And then I just took it off right here when the market got that nice pop when Trump was talking. I took it off for a quick 50 cent win, but this one was beautiful. Love offerings, love them. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. It's Friday, and if you guys want to come trade with us on Monday, you guys can check us out here at firetrading.org. Every day, these notes are posted about 45 minutes before the market opens. Every day, we have live audio, live screen share. All of these trades I guided live, took them live in front of everybody, so everybody could see, everybody could watch, see how I kind of navigate. There's idea generations. We don't just trade these stocks that are on the morning notes. We trade tons of different stuff. Every day we do an educational lesson. We do a trade recap. I kind of show everybody my entries, exits, and show them why I took the trade, where I took the trade, the reason why I took the trade. And there's live Q&A throughout the day. You guys can ask questions at any time. Anyways, you guys can try us out for you guys can trade with us for $1 or $10 for one day, $50 for 1 week, or $129 for a month. Also, we have a 25% off discount going right now. So if you guys can get 25% off if you enter the code all capitals FIRE 25 off, and I'll put that down in the description as well with the link to the website. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a great weekend.